Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert or create a Gantt chart into your diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your diagram on Lucidchart, and for this method guys you will need to access the template gallery in the top left corner. Now you can use the search bar at the top and look for Gantt chart, or simply browse through that list and select the Gantt chart, for example, a simple one. Click into use, and after that what you want to do is locate or position it on your frame or on the canvas, like here, and you will see the Gantt chart as or with default values here. So let me close that panel to the left, zoom in, and now we can customize it. For example, you may change the Gantt chart or project name here. Then you may, for example, customize these rows and columns. Like for example, here to the right you will see the layout options, the shape options. You may change the color of each cell, for instance. Then you may move these cards here along the timeline on the Gantt chart view and customize these as well. For example, if it's a task represented by that card, you may enter the details of the task here to the right, like the title, description, the assignee, and so on and so forth. Customize each text box, of course. You may add more rows and columns by clicking into these plus buttons here. That's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.